welcome back to my channel, Fitness 50 and Beyond. I'm Lisa, and if you're new here, I'm so happy you found this, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today you might be saying, what the heck are you doing? Did you forget what your channel is about? Why are you filming laundry? This is a self-love, fitness, nutrition, type channel, and it's because, have you ever counted how many steps you get doing laundry? I've gotten 2,500 steps before. That's right, 2,500 steps just from doing laundry, nothing else. I think it's important that those of us in charge of doing things like laundry, cleaning our homes, and other gardening and other just household tasks that we think are so mundane actually benefit us physically and mentally, because exercise releases happy hormones. So anyway, come with me and I'll show you all the different ways you exercise when you do something as simple as laundry. And maybe I'll make you like it a little more, maybe not. I don't like it anymore, but let's get started. So first of all, you're probably not going to be able to see my head, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm headless. Oh no. Okay. So what I'm doing is I am going to separate my clothes, and each time I bend over, pick up, bend over, I'm using my abs and I'm strengthening my back. So it's very important when we do this that we keep that in mind. Also, something else, just because you are bending over, reaching, never put your head below your heart if you have uncontrolled high blood pressure, because it can make you fall, pass out, get dizzy. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to sort and count how many times I actually bend, and you'll be surprised. So far I counted 10 times just bending right there. Okay? 10 times. I mean, that's one set of 10, and I'm not even halfway through with my laundry. Now, if I wanted to continue bending, I would put my basket down lower. It's actually sitting on a box. So you can move your clothes down lower, and then you would probably get the rest of, normally I say start out with 3 sets of 10. You'd probably get the rest of your bending. So that is one way. All these steps, you need to have your step count on, because all these steps back and forth and around are huge, 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 huge. I mean, just little steps like back and forth between piles, then walking to your laundry from wherever you go while it's washing. And if you do stairs in the process, count flights of stairs also. I mean, come on. This is a great source of fitness. Also, arms. Look at all the things you're doing with your arms. You're probably pulling, like I'm turning shirts inside out, okay? I'm lifting and picking up. I mean, you are doing a ton of exercise moves when you do your laundry. It's just crazy. And it's crazy to me that people just don't realize how much this counts in your daily exercise routine. And like I said, if everybody started just counting their steps, I think everybody would be blown away, and you might even be surprised. People might be fighting you to do the laundry in your house. Now, I only do laundry once a week. It's my husband and myself. And the reason I let it go so much is because I hate doing laundry, even though it is fitness. But also because I like to make sure, that he appreciates what I do. So if I don't give him clean clothes all the time. Okay, so now the laundry is separated. I'm going to load up a load of towels. Again, count the bends, okay? And the way I load my washer, it's also arm exercises. So So there's 1 bend, 2, so let me know in the comment how many times you bend just separating your clothes and loading a washer. It's full. If you've ever picked up laundry detergent, I mean, this is 2.87 quarts, 92 fluid ounces. I'd say it's at least 2 pounds. This size, and of course this size, I mean, it's like 5 to 10 pounds. So you're getting an arm workout just by lifting up your laundry detergent and pouring it and putting it in your clothes. And I think that's what we need to do, is look at all the things that we really do that's fitness. Because I have so many people tell me, oh, I want to do fitness 5 days a week, but I have to clean, I have to do laundry, I have to do, you know, household chores that have to be done. And I'm trying to get everybody to look at these things in a different way, because you are taking steps. Sorry, my hair is growing out and all the hair salons are closed. Anyway, sorry. We are taking steps. I mean, steps are a big deal. You know, if you count steps, the steps you take while you do laundry, while you clean, while you garden, while you do all these other things are a huge part of your day. And some people are like, oh, I count those. That's great. But there's a lot of people that don't count them, specifically when they're doing laundry. Because they're like, you know what, I go put it in the washer dryer and I go back and maybe sit down and work at my desk or whatever. But how many steps did it take you to get to the washer, to the dryer? How many times did you bend? How many, you know, arm lifts did you do? Bicep curls? You know, think about it. So we're going to stay with the counting here. So we've already done 2 sets of 10 bends, at the waist. And I've already lifted, you know, some heavy stuff, the laundry detergent. So let's keep this theme going through this load. Plus, I have already taken, from gathering all the dirty clothes up and coming out here and doing my little steps in here, I've already done 200 steps. Just from that little bit. So let's keep with it and see how we end up. Hey guys, so I'm back again. And these are dry even though it was still going. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. I'm bending. I'm going to reach in and do like pulls like that. And another reason I wanted to point out that doing laundry was like exercise is because if you're getting ready to start a program and you may be like, I've never exercised. If you're doing this, at least you have exercised a little bit, though it's not in the traditional sense of the word. But again, this is all exercise and needs to be recognized. And lifting heavy wet towels out, they're definitely heavy. If you have any type of chronic pain condition, they can be super heavy. That one was stuck. You can also, when you shake them out, you're doing arm. You're working, it's arm day now. Always check your dryer vent. Again, bending. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that doing your laundry is exercise. You do work hard at this. Also folding your clothes. But again, keep track of your steps. Tell me down below, how many steps have you got in doing your laundry? I've gotten in 2,500 on prior loads. And it really depends on how much stuff is in a load, how much I have to come back. So let me know what your step count is for your size laundry. Again, I just did a bunch of bending my knees, bending my back, arm lifts with the detergent. So what type of other household chores do you do that you've now realized are a form of exercise or a small workout? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see how maybe this is helping you realize that things you do are good for you and are a workout, even though they might not be in the traditional sense of the word. So I hope you've enjoyed this kind of view of non-traditional, non-conventional ideas of fitness. Because like I said, this is very much working your body, maybe not in a stressful way, but it definitely is giving your body a workout. So come back with me when we fold clothes later and we'll finish up. Take care till then. Bye. So hey guys, so the biggest workout of all I couldn't actually film was carrying this large thing of laundry in and putting it down. It's definitely a workout picking it up. Today was just an example of how an everyday activity can be a workout when you start thinking about it in the mindset of fitness and being healthy. I didn't do anything different today than I do every other time I do laundry. Except I counted. That was it. I ended up doing 4 sets of 10 bends. I also ended up with a total so far of 2,200 steps just related to laundry, just going out there, coming back, doing that. And I still have to put up all the clothes, so by the time I'm done, it'll be around 2,500 to 2,600 steps, just laundry. I also did some bicep curls and some other overhead, reaching down, arm exercises. So I would say I got a pretty good light workout for not really doing my workout. So as you go through your routines now, just look and see how much movement you're getting, because honestly, we got so, caught up in, oh, we have to do so many with weights and all this. We honestly get so caught up with, like, you have to work out with weights, you have to do certain programs, you have to walk 10,000 steps a day. We got so caught up that we got trapped in a mindset of this is what exercise is. And it's not. Exercise, honestly, is just movement. It's moving. It's being in motion, because when you're in motion, then you're not sitting still, which makes sense, right? When you sit still, your body it can get bogged down, everything can get kind of clogged up, and your joints get stiff. Your back may hurt, your legs may hurt. It may be harder to get going. You may have trouble breathing the more you sit, but the more you're in motion, the better your lungs get at taking in air and releasing that air. So it's just, my little laundry fitness program today was just a way to show you that don't get stuck in the mindset that fitness has to be a certain way, look a certain way, be certain activities. It can be whatever you need it to be during your day. Because as long as you're moving, that is awesome. Okay? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun. Plus, I hate doing laundry alone, so I'm glad you guys were there with me today. We'll be back soon with a cleaning video, and we'll talk about then how cleaning is also a workout. I hope you enjoyed today. I hope you realized that you don't have to do just the same old thing for fitness. Also, I hope you'll come back and watch some more of my videos. It's a new year. We're all going to start, I'm pretty sure, every year. We all start a new fitness journey. I'd love it if you would start it with me. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, and I will see you next time. Take care and stay safe out there. Bye.